Hey guys, and welcome back to Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. I'm Dustin, and today we're going to be making an appetizer that packs a flavorful punch, guys. I'm telling you what, it's called a piggy shot. Now, piggy shots are so easy to make. The ingredients are just very minimal, nothing fancy, simple recipe to follow. Anybody can do it, but everybody will be glad that you do it. So, but first, I want y'all to check this out. My friends down at Greenback Designs made me my first sign. Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. Doesn't it look good? I'm going to hang that thing right here above my smoker. That's where it's going to stay. So thank you guys so much for that. Okay, like I said, this recipe does not have very many ingredients at all. What I've got is I've got some smoked sausage. It's already cooked. I've got some thick cut bacon, and you got to make sure it's the thick cut because that thin cut ain't going to hold up too good. I've got my sucklebusters sauce or rub. I'm going to use their Hog Waller. I think it's going to be real good on this. We're going to dice up this onion. Need some toothpicks. Some cheddar cheese. I got the white cheddar cheese, and a block of cream cheese. Now let the cream cheese set out. This one set out for about an hour. It's nice and soft because we're going to be popping this in to our cuts when we make them. So that's all we need. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything prepared, and I'll see you here in a minute. Alright, I've got the bacon cut up in halves, and now what we're going to do, about a ½ inch, we're going to go ahead and cut up your sausages. And it's, like I said, it's already pre-cooked, so you really ain't got to worry about it. So we're just going to go ahead and dice up these. Alright, now I've got 20 little slices of bacon, or 10 pieces of bacon cut in half. I got 20 sausages. So next thing we're going to do, get our sausage, get a piece of this bacon. We're just going to wrap it around that sausage, just like that. Now, once you have it wrapped around, get you a toothpick and stick it right through all the way to the other side. And that makes your little cut. Alright, now don't worry about it being a little loose or whatever, because that bacon will end up shrinking up and sticking to that sausage once we throw it on the heat. Alright, I've got 20 little cups here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get about a ½ inch off this cheese, and I'm going to cube it up to about ½ inch cubes. I'm going to take that little cube, I'm going to drop it down in each one of these, set it right on top of the sausage, and then I'm going to come back over top of it with my cream cheese filling and pop it in there. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting up the rest of my cheese, filling up all my cups, and I'll see you here in just a minute. Hang tight. Now, next thing I want to do, go ahead and put my cream cheese down in the bowl, and you can see it's real soft. So this has been sitting out probably about an hour, hour and a half. About where Alright, and on top of that, I've got my sucklebusters Hog Waller rub. I think it's going to give this a great taste, so I'm going to give it a good little coat in there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix all this in together. Now we got a nice looking filling right there. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to spoon this off into a Ziploc bag. Alright, I've got it popped into the Ziploc bag, and now what I'm going to do is get my scissors. Just cut that little hole right there in the corner of that bag. We're going to use this as piping. Now we're going to go ahead and just pop it all in to all of our cups here. Now I'm going to dice up a little bit of this onion. I'm not going to put it on all of them. My wife's weird and don't like onions. So I'm just going to do it on a few of them because I absolutely love them. So on mine, I'm just going to sprinkle some onions just on the top. Alright, we're just about done with them now. We got everything made up. We got our cups filled up with the cream cheese filling, the cheddar cheese, the sausage, bacon, onions. Now just to top it off, I'm going to hit it with a light coat, more of that Hog Waller, because that's really going to bring out that flavor. Alright, last thing I'm going to do these, I'm going to transfer them over to this rack, my little jerky rack, because it just makes it easier putting them on, taking them off. You don't want to pick up every individual one of them. It'll be two times taken. It'll be a lot easier just to do this. And plus, anytime I cook with use bacon, oh shoot, anytime I cook with bacon, I like putting this drip pan below it, catch all that bacon drippings, so it don't get down in the old Lockhart. We're going to go ahead and put all these on here. Then we're going to take her out to the smoker. Alright guys, there they are. Now I'm cooking at 275 and these things shouldn't take too long. I'm going to come back here in about an hour and a half and check on them. What we're looking for is the texture of that bacon. I like a well done bacon on there. And we don't have really that much to worry about. The sausage is already pre-cooked, so we don't have to worry about temperature or nothing on that. So it's just the bacon we're watching. So like I said, I'll come back out here in about an hour, hour and a half, check on them, probably rotate them a little bit and see how they're doing. And also I'm using my smoke tube, just throw a little extra smoke flavor on there. It should be good. So I'll see you here in about an hour and a half. Alright, it's been about an hour and they are looking mighty fine. Look at that. They're gonna be good. Bacon's still got a little ways to go. So I'm going to go ahead, do a little quick rotate on them here, and we're going to close it up and we'll check back here in about another 30-45 minutes. Alright, so they're getting closer to being done, so we're going to go ahead and start up on our glaze here. A real simple recipe. I'm just using 3 ingredients here. Just grab a bottle of your barbecue sauce, whatever you like. I'm using this craft beer Chipotle sauce. I think it's going to go good with the flavors in there. Some honey and some brown sugar. Alright, I'm not going to make very much because it ain't going to take much, so I put some of my barbecue sauce in here. Now, one thing I didn't say when I'm using, I'm going to just put a little bit of apple juice. We're going to come over top of it with some honey. And then last, a little bit of brown sugar. Now we're just going to mix it up on medium heat, and we're going to mix it until it gets nice and dissolved and combined, and then we're going to, by then hopefully, the poppers will, or the piggy shots will be ready, and we will go up there and glaze them up. Alright, over here and check them out. That's about where I'm wanting them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and throw the glaze to them a little bit. Drizzle it on there. Alright, we got them glazed. We're going to slide them back in here. We're going to close the lid up on them. We're going to crank the temperature up to 400. We're going to do this for about 5 minutes or so because we just want that glaze caramelized, we don't want it to get burnt. We just want it to be nice, sticky, and sweet. All right, guys, they're done. They came out great. They smell amazing. And look at that. Man, let's cut one open. Let's cut one in half and see what we got. All right, let's try from right here. Oh yeah, you can see that cheddar's melted down in there. Boy, that looks good. All right, time I've been waiting for. Let's just go the whole thing here. Let's try it. My gosh, that is great. Man, I can taste everything from the smoked sausage all the way down to that honey chipotle glaze on top of it. That turned out so good. Guys, you're gonna have to try this one. Guys, that was it, and I thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll know every time I put out a new video, and I'm trying to put 1 to 2 out a week. So thank you very much for watching. Hey, and one more thing, guys, I want to talk about real quick is I'm really excited about it. I designed and I ordered some channel stickers for Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. So what I'm trying to do is anybody that subscribes to me, anybody out there that has a channel sticker that wants to swap, send me your sticker. And my P.O. box is in my About section. And what I'm going to do is I have a board I made, and I'm going to have it in the backdrop of every video, and I'll have your sticker right there on every video. And when I get a sticker from you, I'm going to put it on there. I'll shout you out, and I'll put your channel in my description, a link to your channel. So, thinking it's a pretty cool way to help support each other, help show a little support in the barbecue community. So, pretty excited about it. So if you got your sticker and you want to send it to me, just check my P.O. box out in the About section. I can't wait to start getting them, and can't wait to start sending mine out to you. So have a great day, and thank you for watching. And guys, as always, go to my description and click on the link to Greenback Design's Facebook page. Man, they do excellent work on all their products, and everything they do is handcrafted, and you can really tell by the quality of their products that they really care about everything they ship to their customers. So not only do they do just cutting boards, they make candles, serving trays, signs, and much more. So please visit their page, show them some love, and be sure to tell them the Tennessee Grilling and Smoking sent you.